Hi friends, and welcome to Fun for Kids with Fynn. We're doing an experiment today. Fynn, what are we making?
Visible fire extinguisher.
Good try. Invisible fire extinguisher. That's a hard one to say, isn't it? Okay. So we are making an invisible fire extinguisher. For this one, we're going to need an empty jug, 1 cup of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of
Baking soda.
baking soda. Good. And 3
Candles.
Yes, that's right. A tray to put it in, and then what's this guy?
A lighter.
A lighter. We'll have an adult do that part, right?
Yep, because you are.
I'm an adult, that's right.
Yeah, because you're helping me.
I'm helping you. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to pour in some baking soda. Because we need to make some carbon dioxide for our fire extinguisher. Good job, buddy. All right. Good. All right.
Look, it makes some dust.
It made a big dusty mess, didn't it? Okay. Next, we're going to pour in the vinegar, and this is what's going to make the reaction, okay? So you pour that in. It's going to go
Like this.
a little bit crazy. Pour it in. Pour it in. You're right.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
All right, so right now that reaction's happening. Oh my gosh, it's making a whole bunch of gas inside of there. Cool. The thing that fire needs to burn is oxygen. So let's get our gas ready here. Ready, Fynn?
Yep,
So we're not gonna pour out the liquid, okay? Just the gas on top onto the candles.
You do it.
Can-
Pour gas.
Whoa!
Gas.
Whoa!
Invisible fire.
Invisible fire extinguisher. That was neat.
Thanks for watching my videos.